Are you looking for the best sofa for back support in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best sofa for back support. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Homelegance Double Reclining Sofa. This sofa has quite convenient features that enable you to maximize your comfortable time and relax after a long day of work. Also, this is one of the top-rated sofas for comfort when it comes to body profile variations. The first thing about this sofa that is worth mentioning is the material. Simply put, this sofa is equipped with bonded leather material that is out of the finest quality. The overstuffed arms, seats, and back support surely will provide outstanding comfort and a great time on this sofa. Next, the lever action mechanism will enable you to use the recline option, which comes quite convenient. This sofa has the double recline feature, which means that you can rest your legs while sitting in it. On top of that, the high-density foam that this sofa is equipped with will provide only the best comfort and soft and warm touch. You actually will feel like you are sitting on a cloud after some spent time in this sofa. Moving on at number 4, we have the Magic Union Recliner Heated Vibrating Chair. Magic Union Power Lift Massage Recliner Heated Vibrating Chair is an absolutely comfortable chair that is made out of high-quality materials. Simply speaking, this chair is equipped with a solid wooden frame and PU leather that offers amazing comfort. In other words, this sofa is one of the best sofas for bad backs. Besides that, this chair is quite convenient for almost anyone. Namely, there are 2 cup holders and there is a convenient side pocket equipped. With these convenient features, you actually don't have to get up that often, which means that you can enjoy the comfortable time spent in this chair. There is a power lift function that allows this chair to tilt forward in order to help elderly people to get up. Also, you will probably benefit a lot from this chair if you have problems with your back. This chair is quite comfortable and it has a back support cushion that really helps with the back pain. However, the best thing about this chair is that it has 4 different modes of massage focus. Your legs, tight, lumbar part, and back will get the best possible massage, which will provide even better experience in this chair. At number 3, we have the Ashley Furniture Yandle Power Lift Recliner. For our next sofa for back support, we choose the Yandle Power Lift Recliner. Namely, this amazing living room sofa is designed to provide nothing but pure comfort. Besides that, you will definitely be able to relieve your back from pain and enjoy many hours sitting in this recliner chair. The first thing that catches the eye about this chair is the recliner option. This means that you can easily adjust the angle of your backrest. Also, with just one touch of a button, you will be able to elevate your legs and experience true comfort. This surely is the Lazy Boy Back Support Recliner Chair. This is one of the specially designed recliner chairs that offer an amazing dose of comfort. Simply speaking, the back support and the high back design will ensure that your whole body is comfortably positioned in this chair. As for the material, this chair has quite durable construction with the metal reinforced seat. Also, the leather upholstery is equipped to provide a comfortable time and cozy feeling as well. All in all, this chair surely will allow you to rest and enjoy every minute in it. At number 2, we have the Domesis Renu Leather Lift Chair. Here we have one of the most convenient recliner chairs that money can buy. Namely, the Domesis Renu Leather Wall Hugger Power Lift Chair surely will provide you with the splendid comfort and even better back pain relief. This chair belongs to the category of orthopedic chairs for the home. When it comes to design, this chair has it all. Simply speaking, this chair is specially designed to ensure that your back is kept straight while sitting in it. Also, the lumbar support cushion will relieve you from back pain in no time. This surely is a great way of relaxing after a long day of work. The power lift feature will allow you to recline this chair in order to get up from it without any complications. We all know that some people have a very serious case of back pain problems, but this chair surely will help them a lot. The 2-button powered recliner enables you to easily control the reclining option, and it is so practical for adults with mobility issues. Besides that, this is one of the best quality leather recliners and it is made out of the high-quality Renu leather that is durable and comfortable. And finally at number 1. We have the Seacraft Anthem Home Theater Recline Sofa. Seacraft Anthem Home Theater Seating Leather Multimedia Power Recline Sofa surely is one of the best sofas that you can find online. Namely, this sofa is equipped with so many features that you can directly benefit from. Besides that, this sofa offers quite an amazing dose of comfort, so, let's take a closer look. First of all, this sofa is made out of the finest materials. The hand-selected top-quality leather that is quite comfortable will enable you to feel nothing but pure comfort while sitting in this sofa. Also, this material surely offers quite a good durability and makes this sofa look quite beautiful and definitely fashionable. The ability of the most comfortable couch to provide a dream level of comfort comes from the adjustable recline. The ability to recline and adjust your headrest and your footrest will allow you to find the best possible position for yourself. Watching movies inside this sofa will never be the same as before, we guarantee it. On top, if at all, this best sofa for watching TV is equipped with quite convenient home theater seating which will provide such an amazing experience and comfort. There are 2 cup holders and convenient overhead lights. This surely is one of the most convenient sofas for the home movie theater. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.